If you have ever used Universal Analytics, most probably you relied on the top events report, so you can see which events drove the most conversions to your website. But guess what? This report does not exist in GA4. This is why I'm recording this video. I'll show you how to recreate this report inside Google Analytics 4. So let's get started. To give you a quick refresh, this is where and how the top events report used to look like. So under the behavior section inside the events, top events, we had the report. So the report contained mainly two dimensions. So one is event category and two is event action. And you can, of course, change that to be event label if you'd like. Then we had the most important metrics as like sessions, revenue, transactions, average order value, conversion rate. So what this report tells us in this case is that we have an event action called product detailed. So this is most probably when the user viewed a product, and then it tells us how many sessions associated to that event, how many users had sessions inside that event, how many users generated or triggered that event, then placed the purchase. So this is the number of purchases that was generated after the user interacted or triggered this event. This is the revenue for these purchases, and then you get the idea of the rest metrics. I'm now in the Google Merchandise public property where I will help you configuring this report. So first of all, let's name our report with a proper name. So I'm gonna name it Top Events Report. Now let's metrics that we used to have in the report that I just shared. So let's add sessions, total users, purchase revenue, transactions, session key event rate, which is the conversion rate, average purchase revenue. Hit confirm. We won't need to add any dimensions. Let's create segments. And this is the different part when creating this report in GA4. So let's hit on the segment section and create new segment. Let's select session segment. Give your session segment a name. So I'm gonna filter for users who triggers the search result event. So let's name it search event. The condition, select event, and then look for the event that is triggered when users search for something on your website. So for the merchandise store, it is the view search results event. And as you can see on the right-hand side of the screen, GA4 will also tell us how many users will be grouped under this segment. So let's hit apply. Watch the full video from the below link.